Hey, you want to subscribe to us on YouTube? Steven, you want to subscribe to us on YouTube? You want to subscribe to us on YouTube?
Yeah.
Okay.
I have YouTube on the Wii at the house.
Look up CRB Outdoors and we'll.
What do you watch?
I haven't really been able to get on it yet. I've only been able to download it. It took the whole morning. Yeah, at first I watched it.
You actually missed one, buddy?
As soon as I dropped it in there.
I love Minecraft, man.
Yeah, except it was a pretty crappy video.
I hate Minecraft.
Where these two guys were kept killing each other because they kept throwing the lava.
Yeah.
I hear you.
It's hilarious. Good gravy, Miss Daisy. I tell you what, right there. If that ain't a fish, I don't know what is, son. Oh.
I'm gonna go grab that.
You some?
She get bird.
You believe that for a second?
Yeah.
No.
You're pulling off.
Chase, can you tell this kid to fuck off?
Chase, that's why you should buy a Raptor. Chase. That's why you should buy a Raptor. You see him earlier? He
Oh,
came up
Willie.
that hill and
He popped a willy.
He was freaking flying in that thing. I'm gonna hit those ducks. Oh my god.
Oh my god!
Where's your parents, you little buddy?
Hey, Josh. Tell Josh to do the dirty deed.
Oh my gosh, I should have one.
Tell Josh to do the dirty
I think I have one.
You want a cigarette?
deed. Yeah. Light me up, dog.
I got a lighter in my bag.
Oh, fuck.
What in the world was that?
Hit the ground.
Yeah.
Chase, tell him to fuck off, honestly. I got the, oh my god.
They want you to let me go get the stringer. Let me go get the stringer.
Hey, I'm cutting this up and using this live bait.
CRB, another fish for the day.
It's fish number 2.
Yeah, boy.
Oh, actually,
Getting
number
lucky
4.
today.
Yeah, but on camera it's fish number 2.
I'd say
Dude, oh my god, it's so small.
Put it on this
about a
thing.
6-pounder.
String her up, bud. Make some live bait.
Turn around, bro. Gotta make it look bigger. Probably about a 4-pounder.
I mean, it's heavy. All right, let's put it on.
Hey, I'm cutting this up and using this live bait.
CRB, another fish for the day.
Cutting this up and using his live bait.
Get on video, get on video. Where's the night crawler?
It's on there.
Bird.
Nice catfish right
Bird.
here. Nice little chance
Bird.
cat. What?
Where's the night crawler?
George doesn't.
He's clear over there.
Yeah.
I'll take one, Bird. I'll save it. Bird, I caught it. Give him the old